Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel AZ Learning Space. The very first, I really like to thank all of my viewers and the subscriber who had visited on the last video regarding the some activity, the number lock activity, and I have received an immense great response from all of you, and it gives a lot of motivation to the YouTuber that to create more good channels and more good content for the viewers. So here I am again with another a good activity, or you can say a creative exercise for your younger ones. So for this I would like you all to please kindly watch it till the end. And today I will going to show you two different activities, two different games you can do this with these the for crafts. This I have take this colorful popsicles from the shop. Plus I have these wooden pinches, or you can say the wooden pegs. It is a set of 24. If you do have plastic, or either they are in colorful, so you can use them, but for writing of these numbers I prefer that you will go for the wooden pegs. So for the wooden pegs, we will be starting the very first exercise. It is like an addition exercise with the pegs and the popsicle. Very first, I will have just written down some numbers at each of these top part, and I have written here on these popsicles an equation. For the equation, you can skip either the first addend, or you can skip the second addend. I have done here mostly to skip the second addend. Over here it is 6 plus dash is equals to 9. So when a child will going to pick it up this popsicle, and he or she will going to uh, choose which one will be the correct addend to make the sum equals to 9. So 6 plus how much, like 6, 7, 8 and 9 means 3 we needed more. So I will be picking 3 and placing this here. So when we will be like picking it up and open it up and then placing it back into the popsicle, so these kind of an activities gives the child to strengthen their finger and the hand muscles, plus eye and hand coordination using of the popsicle. So different fine motor skills have been like established, or you can say like developing at this stage. Now for the next, we have 4 plus dash is equals to 8. It means 4 plus how much? 4 plus 4, we will be having like 8. The second has been done. Now the third one is 6 plus dash is equals to 11. Over here I want to add one thing. I have used here addends as like one digit number. If your child is very good in doing the addition of the one digit number and the sum is equals to the two digits, fine. Then you can switch it to the two digit number as per your child's understanding and feasibility. So 6 plus dash is equals to 11. So 6 plus how much, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have the 11 here. So this way we will be completing all these popsicle sums. When you're going to give the sums onto a piece of a paper, so the children will do, they will enjoy. But if we change this thing, and if we provide this in the form of a game, in the form of like an activity, if you have two kids at a home, so you can give them both of them like 5 each this set, and ask them to just quickly finish. So who else like quickly finish, so it's also work on their mental maths development as well. Now over here I want to add here one thing. I have used different sizes of the popsicle. I have with me this the big one, and this the small one as well. So it's completely up to you, up to your choice, which one is easily available to you. You go for that, pick it up that. As you can see, we have done this, the very first activity, the very first game. We have with us the second game. It is all about the missing numbers. It is very much easy and super beneficial for the early learners, and if you want to give them a number sense, so you can use these popsicles, and I have just written a simple number line, like starting from 1 to 9. And I will be I have omitted one number from here. So the child, if you want to check that if the child has developed the number sense or has learned the basic sequence of the number, so you can use this exercise. I have with me like here 1 2 3, so the fourth number is the 4 one. So I will be using the same peg and I will be placing this here. This way we will complete the other one as well. 1 2 3 4 5, and now we have with us the 6, so I will be using this 6. Second is also done. Now the third one is this number line. Over here I have skipped 2 numbers, and if you want to make it more challenging, you can omit at least 3 numbers or 4 numbers to make it more challenging and more fun. So over here is 1 2, so I will be having with me 2 here, and 3 4 5, so 5 is here with me. Now this number line is complete. So this way we will be using the pegs and the popsicles into a fun creative craft stick games. I hope you like this activity and you people will going to implement this with your kids, and you can change this into either the subtraction or for the multiplication or for the division. So do share us your comment, feedback, and if you want to learn any other particular topic or a lesson, so you can also email to us, or you can also subscribe to us on the and connect with us on the Instagram as well. So we'll be meeting you all inshallah next time. So till then, take care. Allah Hafiz everyone.